Okay, this is the test. This is recording through USB microphone, which is the receiver here. It's right there. For my Rode Wireless 2 mic, and this is it. I'm gonna just upload this test straight up to YouTube. There's something about StreamYards that sucks from your phone because look how crisp and clear and connected this is. Here, give it a look at the room here. Just chilling here late at night, but way better quality of picture, way better quality of sound. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to record this and then I'm going to switch it off. And I don't know if it sounds better or worse when I'm right up to it, or if it matters, if it's at a distance, or if it's way, I just threw it over there. See, it's over there. If that makes any kind of difference, I don't know. But yeah, so let's try to. Okay, let's keep it here so you can hear me good. Let's try to switch it off. There's a button up top here. You see that button on the top? You you hold it down. Okay, now this is without the microphone switched off. Any different? Let me know if it's different. But this is wild. I just don't know. All I know is it sucks to go live through um, through StreamYard on your phone. It's just gonna sound crappy. Crappy picture, crappy sound, crappy everything. So, anyways, this is much better. So, I'll be doing this for now on pre-recorded videos. So, yeah.